Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today to share with you another really cool marketing strategy to grow your brand, your reach, and your revenue using LinkedIn. I'll be sharing with you today by request how to get more business with LinkedIn. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is create a profile. Okay. And if you go to LinkedIn, you'll see some people don't have actual profile created. You'll just see like some random picture up there. But here you'll see that I chose Jacksonville, Florida as a background picture. I think this is a great picture that represents where I live here in Jacksonville, Florida. I also took a nice picture that kind of blend in with my background picture here. And so those are the two main things that people will see when they come to your LinkedIn page. Okay. And of course, there's a little pencil. You can change your background. And some people actually have content, on their background picture. I chose not to put any on mine, but within here, what you'll see is actually my little, 30-second pitch, and it has my name and what I'm doing, and you can see it's viral content creator. Okay. Helping businesses repurpose, recycle, and reuse content to expand their brand, reach, and revenue using the latest trending marketing strategies. Okay, that's what you're going to get from me when you interact with Terry B. Jones. Okay, have a link to my website here. That will be a link to yours. Also, show us school I went to, so those who may have went to the same school with you, it's like, yeah, let me connect with that person. Okay, that's how you're going to continue to expand your reach there. All right. And then, of course, the rest of my contact information you'll be able to see when you click on the contact info. And then you'll see how many connections I've had so far. All right. And then the next thing you want to have is an about. Okay. And basically, I'm listing here kind of sort of the same information, what I do. And I'm also sharing that, the latest technologies that I'm introducing to you to have that viral content is Alexa skills on Amazon, Google My Business set up for your business to be seen right there on searches on Google, email marketing, which everyone needs to have, and video marketing. Everybody should be on YouTube, okay, or either Facebook Live, some type of video. All right. In the years that I've had in this space. Okay. So it's very important to have that to where that it just stands out. Okay, this is a person I need to connect with, based on what they're about. All right. The third thing is section is features. Okay. And so you can have a featured video, PDF, audio, all different kinds of things you can have right here. When you click on here, this is going to take you to my website. Okay. And the fourth thing is your experience. You want to let them know, what type of experience you have in the space that you're in. I have on here the first thing that I want them to see, because I'm actually promoting voice technology. Okay. And so the first thing I want them to see that this is the space that I'm in. So those who's like, yeah, I've seen, the Echo device. I actually own the Echo device and I have no idea what can be done with it. Hey, they're going to want to reach out to me. Okay. So make sure you put, as far as experience, the one that you really want to stand out. Of course, you see the plus sign where you can put more things, but that's the first thing I want you to see. Of course, and then I have email marketing in there as well, and the other different things I have. All right. The fifth thing is your education. Of course, like I said, you can have more than one school listed here. I just have that one listed, but that's on you. Okay. The next thing is skills and endorsements. Okay. So based on the skills that you have, you want people to endorse you, to say, hey, this person, when it comes to digital marketing, this person, when it comes to online marketing or any of those types of concepts, they're the stuff. Okay. They're the go-to person. They're the ones that, you want to reach out to. Okay. And so right there is where you would basically get those different endorsements based on the skills that you have on your profile. Okay. The second is recommendations. This is huge as well. Okay. It's great to receive recommendations, but it's also just as well to go ahead on and give recommendations. Okay. And so people look at this, it's kind of like, oh, okay, it's just like reviews in a sense of if you were buying a product or service, you would want look at some reviews. So this is like a review of you. This lady, Alfreda Booney is basically saying, hey, look, she appreciate, my relatable approach to business, my knowledge, and helping entrepreneurs understand digital marketing and all this kind of good stuff. All right. So you want to stand out. Okay. And basically, the way you can get recommendations, because I know a lot of people don't have recommendations, this is the way you do this. Okay, this is the way you start getting more people looking at what you're about. Okay, so what you do, you go out in your email, your messaging piece of LinkedIn, and you say, hey, I would like to know if you would do me a small favor. Okay, most people have the mindset of helping. It makes you feel good inside that you have helped somebody today. All right. So when you say, hey, look, I need you to do me a small favor. I just redid my LinkedIn profile, because at first it just had just some kind of random image on there, if you think about it. Okay. And so it's like, I just redid my profile and I need a few endorsements on my new additions. Added some new skills. I added, some other education I've gotten, whatever that is. Okay. Would you mind helping me out with this? That's the $1 million question. Okay. I'll be glad to give you some endorsements too. That is something that you can use to start getting people to see what you've done. And then they're like, yeah, who doesn't want to help? All right. And then the next thing here is, of course, anytime you're doing anything online, I want you to also be earning other income, not just with your particular product or service, but with the services that you use. Okay, I'm using Traffic Wave, and there is an affiliate program with it. And so, hey, reach out, click on that link down here, TBJ, and definitely that's the wrong link there. The next page, I should have the right one. But yeah, here's the right link, TBJ Traffic Wave, so that you can get started with email marketing. Email to those you already have in your autoresponder. Say, hey, I'm on LinkedIn now. Check it out. Come endorse me, and share it with other people, and so that's what you want to do when it comes to LinkedIn. Okay, I am Terry B. Jones, coming to you again with another really cool marketing strategy. And with this email marketing, I call it Chit Chat Cash. Okay, so until the next time, keep making that Chit Chat Cash.